Everyone, finally my dream came true of me setting up all my YouTube settings, and I am so happy, so happy. I'm literally so happy, and now I have arrived my favorite spot of the area. Going back to home, and this is me, yay, so happy. I look literally a guy. I'm a girl, but I look almost like a, what the hell, yay, what a wind. It's so windy plus sunny too, and I am literally shining. Wow, my shadow looks so handsome, and it's so windy. Windy, yes it is. Look, it's so windy. I love this type of season, like where it's so windy, it's not so sunny, it's not so hot, it's not so raining. Like, it's cool vibe. It's giving like a comfy, a little bit cozy vibe, like so comfortable, so in peace. No one is disturbing my mental peace, mentally stable, everything. Like, wow, you just wanna stay at home, make Maggie and eat it with your favorite person. Like, my favorite person is my mom, and I love her. She is so great. Like, not only my mom but also others' mom too, but I love her. In my life, she's the only person I care and I love the most. So obviously, whatever I'm feeling, I want her to feel it too.